Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone mentions their NAS and you just kind of nod along, not really sure what they're talking about? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on network attached storage. And trust me, we're going to make it super simple. Let's get right into it. First things first, let me ask you a question. Where is all your digital stuff right now? You know, your family photos, all your work files, your favorite movies. Are they kind of scattered all over the place? Some on your phone, a bunch on your laptop, maybe a few on that old hard drive you haven't plugged in for years. Yeah, if that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. It's a digital chaos most of us are living in. So, how do we fix this mess? How do we get organized? Well, that's where this thing called a NAS comes in. We're going to cut through all the techie jargon and just get straight to the simple answer of what a NAS actually is. Okay, here's the big idea. A NAS is basically a storage device, but the magic words here are connects to your network. See, a normal external hard drive plugs into one single computer. A NAS, on the other hand, plugs into your Wi-Fi router, and that one little difference means it's suddenly available to everything on your network. Your computer, your phone, your smart TV, all of it. Honestly, this is the easiest way to wrap your head around it. It's like having your very own Google Drive or Dropbox, but the actual box, the hardware with all your important files, is sitting safely in your own house or your office. You own it. You control it. Pretty cool, right? All right, so it's a personal cloud that you own. But how does this little box actually pull that off? Let's take a quick peek under the hood. I promise you, it is way more straightforward than it sounds. It really just comes down to 4 simple steps. First, you just plug the NAS box into your router with a cable. Easy enough. Inside that box are hard drives. That's where all your data actually lives. As soon as it's on, boom! Any device on your Wi-Fi can now see and access those files. And the really smart part, you can create different user accounts. So maybe you have a folder for your work, your partner has their own, and you have a shared one for family photos. It's all organized and secure. Okay, so we've got the what and the how down, but that brings us to the most important question, the why. Why should you even care? How does this actually fit into your world, whether you're at home or at the office? Let's look at a couple of real-life examples. At home, just imagine all your family photos, all your home movies, all in one central spot. And anyone in the family can pull them up and stream them on their phone or the living room TV. No more asking, hey, where's that video from our trip? Then, in an office, it's a total game changer. It becomes the one central hub for all project files. The entire team is working from the same document, which completely ends that nightmare of emailing files back and forth, trying to figure out which one is final_version2_final_final. And you've probably seen these things out in the wild, even if you didn't know what they were. Brands like Synology, QNAP, and WD MyCloud are some of the big names that make this tech really accessible for just about anyone. Phew, okay, we've covered a fair bit of ground. So let's just pause and do a super quick recap. We're going to boil this all down to the key takeaways to make sure it all sticks. So if you remember just one thing, let it be this. A NAS is, at its heart, a shared hard drive that lives on your network. Its whole job is to be your central spot for storage, for sharing files, and for backups. You can get to your stuff from your house or even securely over the internet. It's all about making your digital life clean, organized, and easy to access. Now, if you thought a NAS was just a box for your files, you are in for a treat. This is where things get really, really cool. A modern NAS isn't just a simple hard drive. It's like a powerful little computer with some amazing bonus features. Think about it. Your NAS can be your own automatic backup server. You set it up once, and it just backs up your computers in the background. You don't even have to think about it. It can also be your own personal Netflix, organizing and streaming your entire movie and music library to any device. And yeah, it really can be a true private cloud, letting you securely access your files from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So, there you have it. A NAS brings all your files into one place, it keeps your data safe, and it serves it all up to you wherever you happen to be. With all that power and control right at your fingertips, it leaves us with one final question for you to think about. Is it time to stop paying to rent space on someone else's servers and finally build your own cloud?